Where are you taking us to today, Bug?
No!
Where are you taking us to?
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Are you the captain of this ship today? Good morning. Good morning. We are heading up to Washington today. We are going to try to make it to Olympic National Park. That is the next stop in our little adventure, and hopefully stay there for a little while. What? Adventure? Go, go on an adventure. That's our adventure song we sing. It's from Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat cartoon. Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready to go? Cheers. Oh, she wanted to cheers, you guys. So yeah, we're getting on the road early this morning. Yeah. We're getting on the road early this morning and then have some fun up in Washington. We haven't really spent a lot of time in Washington. We've been to like Seattle, but we've never been to the Olympic area. So this should be really fun. You ready? Say, let's go. No. What do you want to say? What's your little adventure call?
Hello?
I don't know.
Okay, we made it to our spot. We're starving, so I just heated up some tomato soup and some grilled cheese. It's like the perfect meal for our location right now because it's absolutely beautiful. Everything is green, but it's like a damp coldness that's seeping into our bones.
It's so dark.
So
too.
we're like all about the warm, hot comfort foods right now to keep us cozy in here. Nah, me. You ready to eat, love? I see you over there. Blueberries?
No, me.
What else? Ketchup? Ooh, yummy. That's right. Let's dig in. Also, random fact, June loves these crackers that are gorgonzola. You want one? Here you go. Gorgonzola cracker? Mmm. You're silly. I think if you're not even 2-year-old likes gorgonzola crackers, you're probably raising a foodie. Okay, also I do have a little random update for you guys. You know how we bought prenatals when we were in Moab?
Hey, Paris, are you eating her chip?
Paris just ate her chip, which is like
Out of your hand?
her favorite
Oh
thing.
my goodness. That was rude. Huh?
That would be very frustrating, but don't worry, we can get you one more. Oh, now she's gonna give him a kiss. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'm officially taking them. This is like my third one, I think. Yeah, it's exciting taking them. I don't know, it just is.
Wait, did you see that dog? That was crazy.
It was right there by the trees.
It seriously looked like a wolf. Where'd it go?
Wait, I saw it from a distance and I thought for sure it was maybe a wolf.
It looked exactly like a wolf. It was scary. Paris, go guard us. You're the guard dog.
No.
He's like, what?
It's like, dog, wolf?
Yeah, we were just walking and then a wolf came up and we had to run to the RV, Humbug.
It really did.
It was like half
Some
German
people
Shepherd,
breed
half
with
Husky.
wolves. No, yeah, it was. I was
It
watching.
could have been wolf, I guess. It was huge.
It was really big.
We've actually had a couple of scary run-ins with dogs lately on the trip. If you guys live on the road or RVers or van lifers, I just really appreciate responsible dog owners that like control their dog, because sometimes these dogs are like mean. And I'm not talking about just like scary looking breeds. I'm talking about mean dogs that were like viciously barking, because we'll go on runs sometimes and they'll like run up to us off leash, and June is in the stroller and I get very protective because I'm like, ain't no dog is getting near my baby. But yeah, I don't know. It's just, we've seen a lot of I should say irresponsible dog owners on the road. And it's just kind of, I don't know.
Yeah, it is really frustrating. Like, I totally understand the dog off leash thing. Like, especially when you're camping, you want your dog to be able to be free and to just roam and run and have fun. But when you're around other people, like, you better make sure your dog listens.
This is pretty amazing, you guys.
Can't believe the moss.
I know.
Seriously.
So we're in the Hoh Rainforest. This is an Olympic National Park, and it's just like green everywhere, like more green than Oregon even.
Oh yeah.
Which I didn't think was possible,
Like,
but
so much green.
it's like thick green.
Thick green.
It's thick green, and oh look at a little cave.
Oh, cool.
Look,
Guys,
June,
you wanna check that out?
it's a new home for you. She's like, what?
Do you want to check it out?
Yeah.
Only if you guys come too.
I know, we have to go too. Whoa. That's kind of cool, huh?
Wow.
This is probably as far north as we're gonna go. We really wanted to go into Canada, but the logistics of getting there are insane, and it's very expensive if you have an RV and a car. I think we figured it'd be like $500.
Yeah.
And that's
very
that's just for the car, and then we'd have to stay in Airbnbs. So we think we're gonna go up to Canada another time, visit some friends up there. But this is as far north as we're gonna go for this trip,
I know.
and then we're gonna head back down. We're gonna go through like Oregon, the northern part of Oregon, and then make our way back to Boise so we can be home for Halloween. Yeah, what are you gonna be for Halloween, Bug?
Should we give another clue?
You just got our costume today, didn't you?
I did.
Ooh.
So let's see. What's this one might be too much. I'm gonna just say these people are very good at tricks.
Tricks or treats.
Tricks or treats.
Yeah, that is a good one. That's not
the
giving it
next
away.
clue.
Look at that little lagoon. This place is beautiful. You know what this place reminds me of?
What?
Our name reveal video.
Oh yeah.
Juniper's
totally
name
does.
reveal. If you haven't seen it, we'll link it up
That
top.
was so fun.
But this is what it reminds me. This is way pretty though.
Oh
Look
my
at this
gosh.
river.
Look at that. It
The
looks
water's-
like it's filled with like emeralds.
Yeah, that is so
Because
cool.
the water is so freaking clear, and then the green is
Yeah,
like the brightest green.
this is so cool. I want to drink that water. The middle of a rainforest,
It is.
but like a rainforest in the Amazon. Look how much
Colors.
the moss. It's crazy. That's cool. I think I see a monkey right there.
What are you doing? Junie and I are playing with Play-Doh right now. Play-Doh? She currently... Yeah, this one is shaped like... Oh, sorry. I'll give it right back. Like a ball. And what do you do with it? You toss it. You go get it. It's the little things, you guys. The little things. Exciting news, though. Really exciting news is that I finally have an official appointment to get my IUD out. And while I'm super excited about it, I'm actually a little bit nervous. So putting it in was a piece of cake. Didn't really feel anything. Not a big deal at all. Maybe a tiny bit of cramping. Not a big deal. But I'm really kind of nervous about getting it out. Like, I don't know. Hopefully it's not... it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. But if you've had yours taken out, if you ever had one, let me know how it was, if it was okay. If it was really awful, probably don't tell me because I'm already a little bit nervous about it. I'm sure it'll be fine. But that's still pretty exciting news for me. So yay, one step closer. But that's it for today. We had an amazing day. It's beautiful here. Where did it go? Where did it go? Go find it. Where'd it go? Gotta go find it. But thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our adventures. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Be right feeder. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh. Currently looking very hard for the Play-Doh ball. This is not it, by the way. But she is looking for it.